Hello, I am back once again, and today we're in Malaysia. We're in a place called Georgetown, and I've just sat down for some breakfast. I wanted to get a roti canai, which is a very popular Malaysian breakfast. I've currently come during Eid, so a lot of the places that are owned by Muslims are closed, so I've gone to a more Indian restaurant, I suppose. I don't know what I've ordered, I just waited for a local person to order, and then I said the same. But it looks like chicken, egg, rice and a few different curry sauces. That was really, really nice. If you come into Georgetown and you fancy some quick, cheap Indian food, the Nasi Kantara Deen corner is a good shout. Right, okay, running errands today had taken me a bit longer than I expected, but we are now about to head out to some of the nice sites within this lovely place of Georgetown. You can hear behind me the mosque. It's a predominantly Muslim place, which is why a lot of the businesses aren't open, and it's taken me a little bit longer to get breakfast, to do errands and do my washing and stuff like that. We're here now at our first stop of Armenian Street. Armenian Street is famous for its street art, but the one we have here, probably the most famous. But the whole street is lined with heritage buildings, quirky cafes, galleries, stuff like that. So if you like your artsy stuff and your history, this is a pretty cool street to walk down. I like this one. It looks like my friend Mitch. A short walk from Armenian Street is our next stop, which is a floating village. So we're about to enter Jetty, which is one of the many clan jetties here. These jetties have been home to Chinese people for hundreds of years. So these houses are suspended by stilts floating over the water, kind of similar to what you'd see in Venice. So obviously, as you see, it's a lot of shops and stuff, but you can see these traditional houses still here. There's loads of these all over the city, and each one was lived in by a different clan or part of the clan, so they all kind of have their own individual character. Yeah, if you're here, check them out. This one's the most famous one, but yeah, as I said, they're all dotted around. You can even see another one over here. Just there, that's another one. And then there's a lot of durian and durian products around here. I'm definitely thinking about trying some. I don't know if in the floating village is the right place to do it, but today let's see if we can munch some durian. Okay, so I'm about to try durian. Durian is supposed to be one of the worst smelling foods on the planet. A lot of places, if you go in Southeast Asia, like hostels and stuff, will have signs on the door saying durian is banned, you cannot have durian here. So I'm gonna try and eat it without smelling it first, and then I'm gonna take a big whiff. But yeah, we've pulled over at a place that sells little tasters of it. It's quite expensive, I guess it's quite a touristy thing, but I wanted to try it. I'm about to try durian, also known as the most disgusting smelling fruit in the world. Give you gloves for your hands though.
How do you like it? Smelly fruits. Can you accept the smell? With the taste?
It doesn't smell that bad.
Not that bad, right?
No, I thought it would smell worse.
You want to try different one?
No, the one that smells worse.
Yes, smells.
This
yeah.
one smells worse.
But
Okay.
this one is a popular one.
Okay.
International brand. You can have a look. Try this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I've been given another one for free. She said I ordered the sweet one, which doesn't smell that bad, and this is a bitter one. This is the famous one
Yeah.
for smelling really bad.
You just put on one side, then you can try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, try it.
That one just does smell worse.
Yeah, this smells. How is it? Right, it's this.
So these ones are the bitter
Yeah.
ones, and these ones are the sweet ones.
This one is a red prawn.
Oh yeah. Okay. Right, I tried it, and oh god, that was grim. I didn't want to be rude. I think they just found it funny anyway, but it wasn't as bad as like some people say it is. It's like, yeah, if I think about it now, it's very gross. We're now here at the next stop, Fort Cornwallis. This is the biggest standing fort in Malaysia. It was built back in the 18th century by the East India Trading Company. Now the fort never actually saw any battle, but it's still a pretty cool place to visit. So as you can see, there's a bunch of cannons here. In 1808, there were 17 cannons laid here. Interestingly, these cannons had been seized from pirates that tried to invade the monarchy of Johor, which was under rule from the Dutch at the time. You know what, I've actually changed my mind about this museum. Half of it's under development and reconstruction, and the bits that are open, you can't even go in. Like that lighthouse, you couldn't even go in there. It's just saying like, oh yeah, this is a lighthouse, it's this tall, this is how far I can see. It's fucking boring. So yeah, if you're coming here, don't do this. You saw me do it, so sweet. Like even this bit, walking around you can't walk in that bit. It's just it's the same. Yeah, waste of £3 or whatever it was.